Just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog and welcome here to Dallas, Texas, and God bless Texas. We're driving the Mark IV Supra back to Salt Lake City, Utah. We started in Miami. We're about halfway through the journey. Now, yesterday we drove from Tennessee to Texas. It was incredibly boring, so we didn't film any of it. But today, boys, we got a good video. We're back. Now, some of you guys might know this driveway. If you don't, it's home to Gage at GG Exotics. We were here a year and a half ago with his Bugatti Chiron, and well, that is the sickest Koenigsegg I've ever seen in my entire life. This color is so incredibly gorgeous. There's only 80 of these in the entire world. We're back with the Koenigsegg squad, our favorite manufacturer, the Ghost Squadron. I wish you guys were here to see this Koenigsegg in person because the camera's not doing it any justice whatsoever. And out of nowhere, Gage has pulled out the Wyra BC. My God, this thing is so sick. So Gage daily drives a Koenigsegg and a Pagani depending on the day of the week. I cannot get over the color. All the gold plating right there, absolutely gorgeous. And then a 1 of 20 Wyra Roadster, full exposed carbon fiber. They do everything bigger and better in Texas. I don't know how to say this. The Pagani is making the Koenigsegg look almost plain. Like this has all the louvers, all the carbon fiber. It has the snorkel, the massive wing, whereas the Koenigsegg is so sleek. 80 in the world, 20 in the world, 4 million. 4 million? I don't know. 5 million, 6, I have no idea. Bro, how's the back? He gets out of the Pagani, lowered back. You're 19 years old. Wait until you're my age. God. Poor guy has to move hypercars around. Dude, he's following your footsteps, Luke. We've been driving the Supra. Luke's complaining about his back the whole time. Gage is 19, and every morning he wakes up, he has to decide what he's gonna drive to coffee or to McDonald's. Do you take the Pagani, take the Koenigsegg? What were you driving in 19?
Dodge Dakota.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was sick. It was black. Had chrome wheels on it, underglow.
Wait, are you kidding me? Wow, he got really excited about that. I was driving a Volkswagen Passat wagon. It had a beige interior, though.
Wow.
I was really, yeah, it was a really nice mom mobile. I don't even have the words to explain this trio of cars. This might be the coolest trio of cars in the entire world. You have the Swedish, you have the 2 Italians. Wow, okay, Luke, which one are you taking of the 3? Dude, you're taking this for sure. You're a Pagani guy.
It's got the Iron Man
sophisticated, classy. It is Iron Man spec. LaFerrari, I think I'd take the egg. This is one of the coolest trios I've ever seen in my entire life. What? That's like $12 million right there. Oh my goodness. In the comments below, guys, if you could have just one of these 3, which would it be and why? I legit cannot take my eyes off this Koenigsegg. The color is absolutely gorgeous, and the wheels are fitted with gold leaf. Fitted? They're plated? What do you say? I'm so unsophisticated. I'm such a loser. I shop at Old Navy, and we're looking at a gold-plated Koenigsegg wheel. Carbon fiber, too. With that texture, that is beautiful. So Gage temporarily lost the key, but he found it. Yeah. Can we flex the doors real quick? On the fly? Oh, you trust me? Yeah. I wouldn't do that if I was you. Dude, coolest doors in the entire world. If I know how to use it, and I do, that is so sick. On the fly like that as well. Wow, 1,500 horsepower. I'll take it. How many idiots does it take to put a Koenigsegg roof in the trunk? 1, 2, 3. I'm just holding the camera. I have nothing to do with this. Wait, you guys actually did that seamlessly.
Like a glove.
Well, it's like you've done this before.
I haven't.
Wow. Gage just said that he needed some chicken, so naturally we're gonna take the Regera to get some chicken. This interior is so beautiful. We don't want to scuff anything. Oh, what? The dash is carbon fiber. What is going on? This Koenigsegg has so much carbon fiber. And then, I'll
get you drove.
Oh, thank you so much, kind sir.
Yeah, no problem.
What service is this? Could you get my seatbelt too?
Nah.
There's just nothing like riding in a Koenigsegg. Definitely like the coolest visceral experience in the world. The curvature of the glass. As Gage said, it feels like a fishbowl. So incredibly beautiful. All the carbon fiber. So we got 1,500 horsepower. 1,500 horsepower. 80 in the world. One gear, 1,500 horsepower, and it looks like you need gasoline. Imagine that.
Yeah.
It also gets 1 mile to the gallon. Oh, no way, it's a Supra, bro! What's the retail on one of those?
Yeah, more than you can afford, pal.
Wow, this guy, oh, no! What? we just got handed to us. I mean, it is a Supra. So yes, of course, the Koenigsegg is out of gas, but here in Texas, gas is so cheap. Are you kidding me? It's like $5 a gallon in Utah. Here it's like half off.
It's going up.
Is it going up?
It's going up, sadly.
We probably get like, I don't know, I said 1 mile to the gallon jokingly. It probably gets like, what, 12 maybe? The only problem with the Koenigsegg is the door sill is so deep that getting out of it is not a pretty experience.
Hurt your back.
Yeah, my back, honestly. I get it, my back hurts. Can we just appreciate for a moment how ridiculous this is right now? To fill up the Koenigsegg, you have to engage full Transformers mode. Like, could you imagine you're just driving by and he didn't even notice the car.
He didn't even care.
He didn't even care. He was looking at the Supra. That's, right. That's the Supra. Yeah, that's not just the Koenigsegg. That's a Supra. Gage, you absolute legend.
Yep.
We've been to some beautiful places in our life, but a Koenigsegg Regera to Raising Cane's, this is our moment. This is the time right now. Front and center. This is how we do it. So sorry, Luke. I'm so sorry. You can't get out because my Koenigsegg door is in the way. My apologies. Let me just get that for you. Look at that. Look at that. That's dope. That's so dope. The chicken was absolutely incredible. Like, absolutely incredible. 10 out of 10 can confirm the chicken was amazing. But what's going on with the bread, bro? Chicken's gone. Why have you not touched the bread? It's the best bread in the world.
Gluten-free now, bro.
Are you eating that? So I can now really fine. As Luke would say, the chicken was bussin'. You got stuck in your teeth? Is that in your teeth?
Bussin'?
You got chicken in your teeth, bro.
What is that?
It's bussin'. I still can't get over the amount of carbon fiber in this car. Like, every single piece is carbon fiber or this turquoise leather. I love this color. So here's an idea. My Lamborghini Urus, I have the wide body kit coming for it very, very soon. I want to paint that car. What if we painted it to match the Regera? That would be sick. Let me know what you think in the cut. Wait, oh, is that loud? Oh, did you hear that?
It's allowed.
Did you hear that?
What rims are you gonna do?
I was planning to do gold leafed rims.
Do it. Do it.
Oh my gosh! Bro! There it is! The squad, the Koenigsegg squad, the Ghost Squadron. That fluttering sound is so wicked. And that was probably like what, 40% throttle?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe? You just can't help but smile getting out of a Koenigsegg. It's such a cool car. Like, look at that thing. That is so dope. When I sell the Bugatti, we might have to go Koenigsegg. That being said, this is $4 million and it's quite out of my budget, but someday we need an egg. I'm swapping the Koenigsegg for the Supra and immediately, Mr. Luke Terry, those blue raspberry?
Bro, welcome to the Supra.
No way.
We got stacks in here.
That's so good.
Yeah.
That's so good. I cannot get over how sick that looks. Gage, you look beautiful. You look beautiful.
What can I say?
Oh my gosh. You see, boys, this is why we're working so hard each and every day. We're hustling that someday, one day, we can get one of those. And he turned off. He's gone. All right, well, I guess we're heading home.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Gage. So Gage just said we need to plan a race or something. What kind of race do you have in mind?
Me, you, Tanner.
Ooh. What are you gonna drive?
Y'all can choose, because either way I'm winning.
Oh, whoa. Do we get to choose one of your cars?
Nah.
Oh, no. Okay, yeah, that's why. Okay,
Choose what
I'm building a 1,400 wheel horsepower Nissan GTR.
Right.
Kingdom come, Mr. Gage.
Okay.
Your time is done.
We got 1,500, so we're good.
Yeah, but I got 14 wheel.
We got the Bugatti.
Okay, that's still 1,500. I still got you. Okay, race is coming sooner than you think. Guys, go subscribe to Gage's channel, link in the description below. We're gonna rent a racetrack, and we're gonna race the GTR versus the Chiron versus Guaczilla. Tanner, if you're watching today's video, you don't know this, we're racing you. Although Gage might finish in last place in the race, he's gonna look the best though. You're gonna look the best. This color is gorgeous. Also, I like Texas a lot. Luke, you wanna move to Texas?
No thanks.
No thanks, what? I thought we were moving to Texas. This is incredible. Wyra, BC, LaFerrari. Now, unfortunately, we don't live in Texas. We gotta drive to Utah, which is a long ways away. The cars are absolutely gorgeous, but can we take a moment to appreciate the house? It even has the sky bridge, just like my house. Now, you guys don't know this, and Gage don't know this, but this house is part of the inspiration for my dream house right here. I love the sky bridge. You bring the cars back through, and you have like this amazing courtyard. You got garage doors every single which way, and you pull the cars right through. Bro,
Get out the way.
you look good enough for a, oh wow, okay, I see how it is. I was just about to compliment
This
you.
is the car I'm gonna beat you in.
That's right. He's getting a little bit arrogant. That has 963 horsepower. The Bug Killer, 1,400. I don't know if there's a car with a cooler side profile than the LaFerrari. It looks like an actual arrow That thing is so crazy. This is a 2014, which means momentarily Ferrari's going to be introducing the LaFerrari replacement. I'm so excited to see what they do and how it looks. What was that, Gage? Did you just try to rev it? Okay, wow. This guy, man, you give him the keys to a Ferrari, he's not the Gage we used to know and love. Oh, come on. Can you do that one more time? So good. That is so good. Goodness. We're just about to leave, and Luke's final thought is like, I just love how it has cup holders.
Seriously, it's the coolest feature.
Well, you love your big gulps. Let's be honest. How many times have we stopped on this trip for motivational beverages?
A lot. A lot of times.
And you could put two mighty fine big, I don't think it's going to fit a big, you couldn't fit a big gulp in there. Wow, I cannot talk. Two big gulps would not fit two little gulps.
Little baby gulps.
Yeah, anyways. Gage also has such a cool toy car collection. He's got the Wyribisi Roadster that's the exact replica, signed by Mr. Pagani himself. That is so crazy. Every single detail on this car is exactly the same as the real deal. We got the Regera right there, and then the Chiron as well. You guys might remember the last time we were at Gage's, we went for a ride in that Chiron. That's the sickest spec Chiron in the world. Man, what happened to that car? He doesn't know. Gage lost it. Car's a service. It's a service, right?
No, I lost it.
You got to pay for those $40,000 tires. I know the pain, bro. I know the pain. Well, driving from Miami to Dallas was a lot of fun. We saw a lot of cool cars, and now the real fun sets in. We have to drive to Salt Lake City, Utah. If you're a geography buff like Luke is, you'll know between Dallas and Salt Lake City, there is absolutely nothing.
You get to drive home, I get to fly home. I got stuff to do.
You don't have anything to do. What could you possibly have to do?
Yeah, I gotta do stuff.
Dude, Gage, thank you so much. As always, appreciate you, support you, but you will be finishing in last place sooner than you think. And on that bombshell, today's video is over. No way, bro, what's the retail on one of those?
Bro, more than you can afford, pal.
Oh, okay, okay.
I guess
Wow, why's he have to be so smug? Jeez. That's when you send it, bro. You gotta send it. We messed it up. All right, well, bye. Bye. He's actually put to the floor. Luke was actually put to the floor right there. Gage was like 4% throttle.
I didn't know we were really going.